Alright guys, I just want to make a quick video on what I just got. This just came in the other day. I forgot to make a video on this. So what I got is the I Build Race Cars TGV delete, the I Build Race Cars EGR delete, Grimmspeed boost control solenoid, and DWorks DW the 300C pump. So pretty excited. I'm actually gonna do the fuel pump today, and then I actually just purchased Phatbotti's Flex Fuel Tune last night, and then gonna be getting his etune. The reason being is because I'm getting the Cobb Flex Fuel Kit coming in tomorrow or Saturday from UPS. So then I can go ahead and do flex fuel. And that is the goal, is go flex fuel so I can make close to 400 wheels to the, pretty much close to 400 wheels to the that's what I want to make. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Just a quick video and on all these parts I just got in. So and then like I said, I will do the install first on the fuel pump, and then work towards the Grimmspeed boost control solenoid will be the last thing I will work on, due to the fact that the hose, there's two PEX clamps on the middle hose that's really hard to take off. So especially for the 2017 models, I will make a video on this as well. And then like I said, I'll try my best to make a tutorial on this as much as possible, but I don't know, we'll see how it works out. But it'll be on the GoPro, not on my phone. So then, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for tuning in.